I'm Keith Olsen. I teach carpentry at Independence High School. So here we offer a three-course pathway. So we have an introductory course, and then we have Carpentry 1 and Carpentry 2s. We go over basic safety and construction math, hand tools, power tools, construction drawings, things like that. It's not your stereotypical shop class. Once we get into the second and third level class, we start looking more at the residential part of building homes. There we have more shop-based activities. What I want my kids to be able to do when they leave here is be good at the essential skills, the basic skills.
I started construction core my junior year, first semester. I realized that I didn't know what I wanted to do in my life until he laid out the opportunities. And as he's explaining to me, I was like, I think I want to take the class again. So once I took it again, more opportunities opened up. I learned new things that can help me into life.
I put together a team of companies. They meet my kids, they work with my kids, they give a presentation on what they can offer my kids, and then they'll come out and do some kind of hands-on activity that's related to what they do.
I like the course because it's just like interesting to me. I feel like college isn't a thing for me. I was thinking that I would like to join an electrician company.
That's what makes this class special, is that it provides a light at the end of the tunnel for a lot of kids that normally wouldn't see that at the end of school. We have a lot of kids that come to school, and if they're not college bound, they look around and kind of wonder, what's here for me? So it gives those kids an opportunity to hear about how many jobs these kids can have in the construction industry without getting a college education. It provides that purpose for school.
I see new companies every time, I like those opportunities. So now I know that even if one thing goes wrong, I have plenty of opportunities with Mr. Olsen. When he has me cut anything or do anything, before, the nervous, you don't know what you're doing. But as I took this class, like now, you give me a piece of wood, give me a mark, and then I can confidently build something, and, I like that confidence.
That's what's important to me, that they can build upon those simple, essential skills and be able to apply them. You don't have to go to college to be successful in this world, but as long as you wake up every single day knowing what you want to do the next day, that's going to get you on the right pathway.